peace and love, everybody. I'm just coming in for a moment. I'm trying to make a decision. This is the month last year that I went through everything that I went through as far as having to cut my hair. So it's been exactly a year, and you all know that it's been growing and definitely been free-forming again. And I'm trying to decide because I have to keep the sides and the back relatively low so that I won't have the weight on my shoulders, my neck, so I won't have any problems. So I want you all to help me to decide. And those of you that have been rocking with me for a long time, help me to decide, what should I do? I haven't been cutting the sides and the back, and I was thinking about just letting them grow in just a little bit and just having like some short, tiny little dreads or whatever they do, just let them do what they do. But I'm not really sure because I don't know. I just really, really love having the sides and the back just totally cut off. It just feels good to have it cut off. So the top is growing like wildflowers, as you all can see. This is all hair up in here. So it's not even a year's worth of hair because this has been taken down a couple times during the process of letting it grow out when it was like in the afro stage or whatever. I will let you all see it. I should just go ahead and let you see it. Okay, I will. I wasn't planning on doing this, but this is where we at. Okay. This is where we're at. This is how much hair I have now, you all. But look, I was thinking about letting the sides and the back kind of just like grow out, but I don't know. I love the top. I love the way the top is growing in. I love the density of each dread. But I'm wondering, what should I do? Should I go ahead and just, everybody that's really been watching my channel and been seeing me throughout all these years, should I go ahead and get this faded down? It's not even brushed. But anyway, this is it in the raw. I'm coming to you 100% transparent and trying to figure out what to do. But this is, yeah. Last year, October, my dreads were down to my calves, and I had some situations going on in which I had to cut it. I still have pain, but not as much pain. Don't have the headaches and stuff anymore. But yeah, you all help me. I am really trying to figure it out. I know people have been wanting updates. I wasn't doing too many updates because it was like, if it wasn't really, saying anything, it's like, why give an update? I have no idea what the back of my hair look like, but I'm about to turn around and you all will see it probably before I do, because I'm not going to watch my videos. I rarely rewatch my videos. I rarely watch them. So this is what's going on. There's no parting or anything. It's just doing what it do. Y'all know I'm still doing water rinses and stuff. Okay, let me turn around. Oh God, I'm thinking about the fade. I think the fade should be in. Comment down below if you think I should go ahead and fade it down low and keep it, lined up real tight. All right, y'all. Y'all ready? Here's the back. Okay. And here we go. Look at this, y'all. Oh my God. I know it would just like kind of like curl up a lot. But then I know I would be tempted to just let it all grow back out, and this would all just be shorter. So I think the best thing to do would be to just go ahead and keep it cut, keep it faded. But I just want to stop in and ask you guys, what do you think? My kings and queens, my empresses, my emperors, my royal people, my royal family. Comment down below. Let me know before I go to the barbershop, because I am definitely thinking about going in the next couple days. I do have a little bit of separation up in here, something that didn't quite lock, but it'll attach itself to one of these dreads or whatever. So it's been doing its own thing. So all the stuff that you may have heard me say before, like how many I think I have in my head and all that, no, that's totally changed because everything just started doing it its way. And you know how I am. That's what I always say. I'm going to let it do what it do. How's everybody been, though? How's everybody's health doing? I hope everybody's been okay. Me and Isis and Lucky, we've been surviving. I'm not gonna say it's been easy. It hasn't, but we've been surviving. Mental health has been up and down. Physical, mental, spiritual has all been up and down. And that's just keeping it 100% real. I'm not going to sit up here and act like, oh, everything is lovely. Everything is perfect. We're fine. We're doing just great. Thanks for asking. No, no, not at all. I have struggles just like everybody else. I haven't been on for probably about 2 months, but I've been so busy with my candle business. Oh, make sure you all check out my candle website. It's going to be in the description box below. It's Waxy, WAXY, Desires, DESIRES.net. Please check it out. I've been uploading my fall candles on the site, and trust me, it won't disappoint. I've been doing candles for 23 years. 23 years. My friend Yanni asked me today that I want to go back to doing hair, and I'm like, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I stopped doing hair for a reason. And I totally enjoy doing candles at my studio and being free, and then coming home and not having the stress of everybody's problems and stuff in my head, because as you all know, most of the times if you go into somebody to get your hair done, you're sitting there for a minute. So you got to have conversations, people skills and all that come to play. And I kind of just like making my money and then passing the customer their bag and being like, okay, the transaction is over in 5 minutes, not an hour, hour and a half, standing up on my feet. My back is hurting. I'm older. I started doing hair at 18. I'm older now, and yeah, I still like my wraps and stuff. Y'all know I like to do a little something with my little wraps and stuff. I always have a little thing going on. But yeah, no, I don't have any desire to go back to doing that. I'm definitely doing candles, have been doing candles, period, full time for a very long time, for 23 years. So if you all check out my candle website, that would be wonderful. Please support. What else is going on? I still have the springs. Everything will be down in the description box below. And if you have any questions, I'm thinking about doing live chats again. If you all would like to do that, please let me know by commenting down below, and we could do some live chats. Thinking about what is the I want to have it so that people can come in. You know, I wish it would have been like that when I was really deep into it. But so people can come in and be on the live chat with me. You know, that way I get to see a lot of you all a day. Empress Pie, I see you all the time, but it still would be nice, you know, just to be able to bring somebody in and, you know, have conversations. So it won't just be like you all looking at me. It'll be us having conversations. I really want to start that back up again. I will be adding other content to the channel. It will be, I'm in a challenge right now, nutrition challenge and workout challenge, 30-day challenge with Lethal Lisa. I'm going to put her information down below. It's already started though. I think this is day 3. I want to say it's day 3. Monday, Tuesday, day 4. Day 4. Today's day 4. And we're doing a 30-day challenge, which is how a lot of us kind of like connected. Well, not a lot of us. It was about a good 5 of us kind of connected and really started doing the health thing together. Bonafide, I hope you're still around. I hope everybody's doing well. Please just do a check-in. Let me know how you're doing. Stone Cold, I see you all the time on TikTok. I just really miss my my YouTube family. I have been on TikTok a lot. You all, I'm gonna put all of this information down below. If you want to see my TikToks, they're not fun. I mean, some of them are funny, and then some of them are, you know, dealing with my candles and stuff. Then that way you'll get a clear view of some of my candles, like as I'm making them or whatever. And I'll be doing a few like candle classes. If you're interested in candle classes, let me know. You all look at the background. It's the background for me. I'm talking about when the wind is blowing and the leaves are like that. That's everything. I'm going to tell you what I don't like, though. Those trees, there's ants, big black ants on them. So I have to keep my windows closed. And even with my windows closed, they find their way in my house. If anybody knows how to combat that, comment down below. I have put down stuff. I have Lucky here, so I can't put down like poison. Somebody told me to put down baby powder. But it's a beautiful view. It's just, I wish the ants didn't come along. I wish it wasn't a package deal like that. It's peaceful though. And when it storms outside and the wind is blowing, it's really peaceful. So I just want to do a check-in. You all please comment. Let me know, what should I do? Yes, I'm coming to you all 100% all natural. I know it's been a while since I really been wearing makeup, man. But I'm gonna be, the next video, I'll look cute. I won't be so plain or whatever. I won't blend in with the background. But yeah, so make sure you check out the description box. All of my information is in there. My Instagram, my TikTok. You definitely want to check out both of those, Instagram, TikTok. My website, again, waxydesires.net. Waxy, WAXY, desires, DESIRES.net. It'll be down below in the description box. And also, let me know how you all are doing, and then definitely give me a yay or a nay to cutting my hair. And when I say cutting the sides and the back, that means I'm fading it all the way down. If you all go back to some of my past videos, since I've had to cut my hair, you'll see, like in the last, like maybe 3 or 4 videos, what I mean by my fade. I mean, it's going to be faded. And that's how I really like it. I'm almost 90% sure that's what I'm going to do. But I said I'll come in and ask you guys. All right. Love you all, and see you soon. Peace and love.